Okay, friends, welcome to math today. For math, we're going to start off first by counting by tens, okay? Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you want, you can try it a little bit faster like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now it's going to be your job this week to learn how to count all the way up to 70 or 80. See how high you can get. Soon we're going to be in school for 100 days, and so we want to be able to count to 100 in the next couple of months. So make sure you can practice, make sure you can count up to 70 or 80 this week, okay? Go ahead and pull out your math paper, which is lesson number 63. I already wrote my name, so go ahead and write your name. And we're going to be talking about the Geo Boards. Geo Boards are these boards here that have the little pegs that you can make different shapes with the rubber bands. This says, use a different color to trace each side of the triangle. So you're going to need 3 colors. I'm going to do red, yellow, and blue. Okay, so I'm going to do one side red. That looks kind of pink, but that's okay. It can be any color. The next side yellow, and the last side blue. You can do whatever colors you want, but you just need a different color for each line. How many sides does a triangle have? On this line right here, you're going to write how many sides a triangle has, which is, how many crayons did we use? 1, 2, 3. Same thing, use a different color to trace each side of the square. I'm going to keep the crayons that I have and just add one more color. 1, 2, 3, then one more. I'm going to choose green. 4. How many sides does a square have? You're going to write 4. Last one is the same thing, but we're going to do it with a rectangle. Use a different color crayon to trace each side of the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides does a rectangle have? 4. What's the difference between a square and a rectangle? Can you tell? The square has equal sides. The rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. That's how you tell the difference. All right, turn your paper over to the other side, and we have our clock. Remember when we do our clock, when the big hand is pointing to the 12, the little hand tells us what hour it is. So this says 2 o'clock. This says 4 o'clock. So first of all, what we got to do is we got to make sure that our clock is all filled out the right way. So right here on the top, we're going to write number 12. Then you'll start with 1 right next to the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can pause the video if you need to take a second to finish up your numbers. But it says, what time does the clock show? The small hand's pointing at the 4, the big hand's pointing at the 12, so that means what time is it? 4 o'clock. And remember the way we write 4 o'clock is we write the 4, so we write the hour first, 2 little dots, and 2 zeros. So this says 4 o'clock, this also shows 4 o'clock on the clock. Nice work, you guys. It's January now, so it's not December anymore. So now we're into a new year. It's January, today's the 4th, and it's the year 2021. We're in a new year. Can you even believe it? All right, we'll talk to you soon.